so we are on level 8.
Okay, we made it to our room, 8446. I've got the key card in my hand, and let's open it up. Let's get inside and take a look. This is gonna be fun. Okay, got the card here. Swipe it. Come on, enjoy the view.
Beautiful. Nice. So we got a big screen TV, also a king size bed, 2 nightstands and 2 lamps, and also this nice big couch. Beautiful. And they've also given us some pull towels too. Very nice. And they also have a desk area here with a nice vanity and shelving too. They also have a refrigerator here as well. This is what the refrigerator looks like. And also a tip of advice, if you have this propped open, it will keep your refrigerator cooler. Just something for you to think about. There's also 2 extension cords here, as well as a USB ports as well, and a phone, and also a blow dryer, and another drawer area too. They also have 3 closets. This is what the first one looks like. It also has an area for the safe for you to put all your valuables inside. And then it has 3 drawers here as well. Beautiful. There's also a closet here as well, and you're able to hang your items from. And also a tip, if it becomes too noisy, you can wrap a towel around these hangers so they don't shake during the middle of the night. And this is what the other side of the closet looks like. It also is very spacious. This is where you would put your long dresses or jackets. And it also has a mirror here too as well. Beautiful. Also, in the middle cabinet, you're going to find right here, if you lift this, it's going to give you an extra storage. Just like that. So you can use it as a shelf too. Now let's go check out the bathroom. So this is what the shower looks like. Very nice. And it also comes with body wash as well as shampoo and a shelf for you to put your toiletries on. There's also a clothesline here as well, so you can hang up all your wet bathing suits or t-shirts too. They also have a handle here to hold on to, just in case you're in the shower and there's rough waters. And of course there's a toilet, and that is the button you push for flushing the toilet. And here is the towel racks. And a really nice feature is that they provide you a magnifying mirror as well. So it's gonna feel like you're just at home. They also have some more shelves here as well. And they also have provided you a sink area, as well as soap and tissue paper area as well, and a trash can. They also have continued the shelves here on this side as well. And this is also a balcony room. So let's see what the balcony looks like. And they have these blackout curtains to help block the light. So you get a big window as well as a door too. And when you push on the door, make sure you don't slam the door also, because it's very heavy, and try to close it gently. Your neighbors will appreciate that. And this is what the balcony looks like. You get 2 chairs as well as an end table too. And you also get these windows for you to look over your balcony, and look how beautiful it is. What a gorgeous day to go on a cruise. So excited. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.